Justin, where are you?
I have no idea.
On this week's adventure, we're traveling to Roan Mountain State Park. Roan Mountain is a 6-minute drive from the North Carolina state line via Highway 19 East and a 20-minute drive from Banner Elk, North Carolina. Located on Tennessee Highway 143, Roan Mountain State Park encompasses more than 2,000 acres dominated by rich hardwood forest along rugged ridges. The cool, clear Doe River winds its way through the center of the park. Roan Mountain State Park is located in Carter County and was designated a state park in 1959.
Come back. Come back. Yep. We got a friend. Huh? Yeah.
The Miller Farmstead provides a glimpse back to the hardiness and self-sufficient lifestyles of the Appalachian settlers. Built in 1908 and is preserved as a reminder of the communities that thrived in these mountains during the late 19th to the mid-20th centuries. In 2015, the farmstead was placed on the National Registry of Historic Places.
Would you like some water before our hike?
No, thank you.
We're in Roan Mountain State Park. It's beautiful up here right now. It's the road we just came down. I'll give you a full 360 view. What are you doing? You videoing me? We'll stop right here at, looks like Kate's Hole. It's a beautiful little spot. There's a bridge we're fixing to go check out. Walks across the stream. The colors are awesome right now. I thought we were going to be late. Turns out, I think we're just in time.
Justin, where are you?
I have no idea. On top of Miller Road or something like that.
This is off-roading, right?
We're definitely off-roading.
This is what we bought the motorcycles for, right? So we just went and ate pizza
Still got it in the saddlebag.
in town. And some guy that was camping was talking to Justin and told him about this road. So we started off doing switchbacks on a paved road, and then GPS has led us down this road. But look at that view.
The view was worth the ride coming up here. Looks like it gets pretty technical. So stay tuned.
We didn't bring the GoPro.
No, and I wish we would have.
You didn't know, did we?
I didn't know.
We camped at Mountain View RV Park just outside the state park. We enjoyed our evening sitting by the fire along the Doe River behind our campsite.
Sit back and enjoy.
As you drive up the road, you leave Roan Mountain State Park and enter Cherokee National Forest. The parking lot at Carver's Gap provides access to the Appalachian Trail. To the north, the AT crosses a series of grassy balds, virtually treeless areas that offer unobstructed views of the Blue Ridge Mountains in Tennessee and North Carolina. This 10-mile stretch of balds is taunted by many AT through hikers as one of the most beautiful sections of the entire trail. To the south, the AT climbs to the high point of the Roan Mountain Ridge, the 6,285-foot Roan High Knob. Just so I have proof
What you been on the Appalachian Trail?
that we did a stint of the Appalachian Trail from North Carolina and Tennessee. But you know, we've done other little sections of the trail. It's beautiful though.
Alright, we're fixing to go on a little hike this morning. We're right here at, we're going to do a Raven Rock Overlook, I think is the name of it. There's not really a parking for the trailhead unless you pull into the campground and then park at the, it looks like the picnic area number 3, which is what we've done. And then it's a short walk back to the actual trailhead. Apparently it's about a half a mile. I think if you do the whole loop, it's 1.1 miles. So that's where we're headed. How you doing back there? You go first so I can video you.
Hold on. Okay, hold on. Let me explain. You see everything I'm wearing, carrying the drinks, the snacks.
Give me the backpack.
Now look at this.
I come prepared.
You see everything he ain't carrying. And I'm huffing and puffing.
Give me your coat and your backpack.
Okay. Fuels stamina.
Yeah, I hear you. Steady incline. Not even with switchbacks, just straight up.
Are you lost?
No, it's hard to get lost with a sign that says trail both ways.
Where's the Overlook?
Not real sure.
Are you lost?
No. I am going to take your jacket and lay it right here. And I'm going to walk up there and explore, and then we'll come right here and explore something. The Overlook should be right here.
Okay.
It might be right down there. It might be right up here. I don't know. I'll be right back.
They're on the top of the mountain.
Yep, we're on top of the mountain.
And he's off.
Alright, break time's over. Because I think we're coming up to the Overlook. It's definitely a scenic overlook. I can see the road, Roan Mountain Road, that we crossed coming in here. I'm gonna have to take one of the other cameras and zoom in on that for you. There's some motorcycles. Also, I think I can see the road to Miller Farmstead, which is also in the park. Those houses and those buildings are the state park's maintenance area. And you can't see it for the trees and foliage, but the campground should be somewhere right there. Right there. What you think?
Yeah, that was a hard hike.
I think it was too.
It's beautiful.
It is.
And there's probably not even doing it justice.
Yeah, it's not. There's no way. But I think we're gonna have us some snacks while we sit here and enjoy this beauty.
Like and subscribe so you don't miss next week's episode as we leave Roan Mountain State Park and head over to the Ranger District of the Pisgah National Forest in the beautiful mountains of North Carolina.